Hey guys and girls, welcome to your first week of online learning. Remember that this week is just a transitional week. I'm not going to be assigning any new content this week. We'll just have a couple practice assignments, but did want to give you some information on what you can expect in terms of the layout of online learning. For us, it's going to remain the same as in class. You'll have a warm-up followed by an in-class assignment. You might not necessarily have an in-class assignment every day. If an assignment is going to take longer than 30 minutes to complete, then I'll probably give you 2 or 3 days to work on that. So you won't necessarily see a new assignment in Google Classroom every day. You probably will see a new warm-up every day. So for the warm-ups, try to do them every day. I am asking you to do something a little different with these warm-ups. I'm asking you to first off get down 2 takeaways, and second off, I'm asking you to respond to at least one of your peers' takeaways. So you should be reading your peers' takeaways and then pick one to respond to. Your responses are meant to get you to engage in a conversation with your peers, so they shouldn't just be one word responses. They should not sound like, yeah, thought that was cool too, or yeah, that was interesting. It should be like, yeah, I thought blank was interesting too because blank, or I thought this was a misrepresentation of this because this, or something like that. Or maybe ask a question, right? So you're just meant to engage in a conversation with your peers through your warm-ups. Your assignments, you'll notice that your assignments are going to always have a due date of Sunday at midnight, and all of your assignments will always have that due date Sunday at midnight. That's just meant to give you some time to complete your assignments thoughtfully, as well as to allow you to work on them at your own pace. So that's pretty much it. No new content this week. Next week we will dive into new content for seniors. You will be looking at a new unit on the president, and for sophomores you will be looking at World War II. Hope that helps. Please email me if you have any questions, and have fun.